All right, welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into something pretty exciting. We're talking altcoins.
Altcoins, yeah.
We're going beyond the big names you always hear, like,
Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's right.
Exactly.
Those are kind of the giants in the room.
Yeah.
But we're going to be looking at an article from Analytics Insight called Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, Top 10 Cryptos You Should Consider.
All right.
And it was just published on October 25th, 2024. So it's
very recent.
It's really, really recent.
Yeah.
And we're going to just uncover some of those hidden gems out there
in
the crypto world.
Yeah.
And see what makes them tick.
Sounds good.
And explore the potential opportunities, right? I mean, that's what we're always looking for.
That's what it's all about.
Exactly.
It's a fascinating landscape. It's constantly evolving. You're right. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're the heavyweights.
Yeah.
But, there's this surge of altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies, and they're all vying for attention.
Totally.
But what's really interesting is they're not just aiming to be the next Bitcoin.
Oh, interesting.
Many are focused on very specific applications of blockchain technology.
I see.
So it's branching out beyond simple investment.
Yeah. It's like everyone suddenly realized, hey, we could do so much more with this.
Exactly.
It's not just about, one coin to rule them all.
Right.
So let's jump right into this top 10 list.
Okay.
We've got some names you might recognize and some that might be completely new.
All right.
Okay. So the list includes...
Let's hear it.
Goatius Maximus, Cat in the Dog's World.
Whoa.
Radium, Popcat.
Okay.
Mogcoin, ApeCoin, Dog with Hat.
All right.
Airdrome Finance, Dogecoin, and Sui.
Quite a mix.
That is quite a mix.
Right.
And that's a key takeaway right there.
Right.
The sheer diversity of the space.
Absolutely.
You got meme coins like Goatius Maximus and Dog with Hat.
Yeah.
Riding the wave of internet humor.
Yeah. It's funny. Yeah.
Utility coins like Radium and Sui, tackling very specific technological challenges. And even ApeCoin, bridging the world of NFTs with the metaverse.
Amazing.
I mean, it really is kind of mind-blowing. Okay, I got to admit, I was blown away by some of these numbers.
Yeah.
Goatius Maximus. Goat has seen like a mind-boggling 726.14% growth.
Wow.
In just 30 days.
That's crazy.
That's just crazy.
It's nuts.
Over $413 million in trading volume.
What?
In the last 24 hours alone.
Wow. What is fueling that? What's going on there?
That is the question.
What is driving this explosive growth?
Yeah.
And is it even remotely sustainable?
That's what I want to know.
Yeah.
Because
the meme coin phenomenon, it's captivating.
It really is.
Speaks to the power of community and online trends, especially when you consider how much of the crypto world lives on social media.
Oh, absolutely.
Goatius Maximus seems to have cultivated a highly engaged and enthusiastic community.
Got it.
Which is crucial for initial momentum.
Okay.
But for sustained growth, it needs more than just hype.
So it needs utility, right?
Exactly.
Some real world application beyond just being a tradable token.
Right.
Otherwise, it's just a fad, right?
They could just fade away.
That can fade away just as quickly as it exploded.
Exactly.
Okay.
The question to ask with any meme coin is, what problem does it solve? What value does it bring to users? If the answer is just potential price speculation, that's a shaky foundation for long-term success.
It's not built to last.
Right.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So community hype can get the ball rolling.
Sure can.
But to really take off, a meme coin needs a solid use case.
You got it.
What about a coin like Radium, then?
Okay.
Which operates in the DeFi space.
Like DeFi.
What are the factors that could drive its success?
Now, with utility-focused coins like Radium, the game is all about adoption and integration within the broader DeFi ecosystem.
I see.
DeFi, or decentralized finance, aims to create financial services that operate without traditional intermediaries like banks.
Okay.
Radium leverages the speed and efficiency of the Solana blockchain to offer solutions for decentralized exchanges and liquidity provision.
So Radium is all about shaking up the financial system, right?
Yeah.
By using blockchain technology to cut out the middleman.
That's right.
But it's not the only player in the DeFi space, right?
That's true.
What does it need to do to stand out and attract users?
You're right. The DeFi landscape is incredibly competitive.
Yeah.
For Radium to thrive, it needs to excel in delivering seamless and cost-effective DeFi solutions.
Okay.
Think of it like this. If you're a user looking for decentralized financial tools, Radium needs to convince you that it's the best option out there.
Right. It's got to be the best.
And it's not just about attracting users.
Oh.
It's about attracting developers, too.
I see.
The more developers building on the Radium platform, the more robust and innovative it becomes.
So it's like a virtuous cycle.
Exactly.
More users, more developers, more innovation, and ultimately more success.
That's the goal.
It's a race to the top of the DeFi mountain.
Yeah.
Now,
it is.
switching gears entirely.
Okay.
Let's talk about ApeCoin,
right?
Which seems to be straddling the worlds of NFTs and the metaverse.
Definitely.
How does its connection to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, that massively popular NFT project, impact its potential?
ApeCoin is a fantastic example of how cryptocurrencies are intertwining with digital collectibles.
Oh, wow.
And immersive experiences.
Okay.
You're right. Yeah. The Bored Ape Yacht Club has become an iconic NFT collection.
It has.
Known for its exclusivity and vibrant community.
Yeah.
Think of ApeCoin as the utility token that unlocks the door to this exclusive world.
So more than just an investment. Holding ApeCoin gives you certain perks within the Bored Ape ecosystem.
Oh, exactly.
Like a VIP pass.
Yeah, you got it.
To a digital party.
Exactly. It grants holders governance rights, allowing them to participate in decision-making processes related to the Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Oh, wow.
It also provides access to exclusive benefits and experiences within the Bored Ape community.
Got it.
Both in the digital and physical realms.
That's pretty cool.
It is.
It's like being part of a club, but membership is tied to a cryptocurrency.
You got it.
It's a clever way to build a loyal and engaged community.
It is. It's brilliant.
But does ApeCoin's success depend entirely on the continued popularity of the Bored Ape Yacht Club?
That's a great question.
What if the NFT bubble bursts?
That's a crucial question.
Yeah.
Currently, ApeCoin's fate is closely tied to the Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Yeah.
However, the project is actively exploring ways to expand its utility beyond the Bored Ape ecosystem.
Interesting.
Venturing into areas like gaming, metaverse development, and even real-world events.
Oh, wow.
It's about building a more robust ecosystem that can stand on its own.
Okay.
Even if the NFT market experiences fluctuations.
That's smart.
Yeah.
It's like diversifying your portfolio.
Exactly.
Spreading the risk across multiple areas.
That's right.
So they're building multiple pillars of support to ensure long-term stability.
You got it.
This highlights a broader trend in the crypto space.
Okay.
The convergence of different technologies and trends.
Yeah.
We're seeing NFTs, the metaverse, DeFi, and gaming.
All coming together.
All starting to intertwine.
It's pretty amazing.
Creating a complex and interconnected ecosystem.
You're spot on.
And it makes you wonder, with so much innovation happening, what could the future hold?
What could it?
For altcoins.
I don't know.
Could they eventually challenge the dominance
It's possible.
of Bitcoin and Ethereum?
Yeah, it's definitely possible.
Or will they carve out their own unique niches in the digital economy?
It's a great question.
Those are the million-dollar questions.
Literally.
Literally.
Yeah.
It's still early days in the crypto world.
It is.
And we're only just beginning to scratch the surface
That's right.
of what's possible.
It's like exploring uncharted territory.
Right.
Full of potential risks and rewards.
Yeah.
Exciting. Daunting.
Yeah.
And definitely keeping us on the edge of our seats.
You got that right.
It's true.
I mean, it's...
I couldn't have put it better myself. That's what makes the space so captivating.
It really is.
It's a constant journey of discovery, learning, and adaptation.
Yeah, you're always...
Who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe one of these altcoins we're discussing today will become the next crypto giant.
That would be.
Reshaping finance and technology as we know it.
That would be incredible.
It would.
Imagine looking back in a few years and saying, remember when we first talked about Goetheus Maximus on the deep dive? Look at it now.
That's right, yeah.
Oh, man.
It's certainly within the realm of possibility.
It is.
But even if these specific coins don't achieve that level of mainstream dominance, the innovations they represent are likely to have a lasting impact on the evolution of the crypto space.
Each one is like a piece of the puzzle.
Exactly.
Contributing to a bigger picture that we're only beginning to glimpse.
That's a great way to put it.
Right.
And remember, our deep dive today is just the starting point.
Yeah.
The key is to stay informed, keep exploring, and never stop learning.
Absolutely.
The crypto world is full of surprises, and that's what makes it so fascinating.
I love that. So what do you say we take a moment to regroup?
Okay.
And then come back to delve into some of the specific features and potential use cases of these top 10 altcoins.
Oh, good.
We'll explore what sets them apart and why they might be worth keeping an eye on.
Got it.
Stay with us, listeners. The journey is far from over.
We'll be right back.
All right, we're back and ready to keep going on our altcoin deep dive. We've kind of laid out the landscape a little bit, highlighted the diversity and just how dynamic this market is. Now, let's kind of zoom in a little bit on some of these intriguing contenders. What stands out to you so far?
Well, it's hard to ignore that astronomical 726% growth of Goatius Maximus in just 30 days. It's a classic tale of explosive growth in the crypto world.
It's crazy.
Often fueled by community sentiment and social media buzz.
It's like the crypto equivalent of a rocket launch.
It is. It's incredible.
But as we discussed earlier, sustainability is key. What can you tell us about the factors that might determine whether Joe can maintain this upward trajectory?
That's the big question.
Or will it be another flash in the pan?
Well, remember, meme coins often rely heavily on community sentiment and social media buzz. Joe seems to have mastered this. They've fostered a strong and engaged community.
Yeah, they have.
They've got memes galore, active social media channels, and a real sense of camaraderie among their supporters.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of fun.
It is. But that initial hype can be a powerful driving force. But to achieve long-term success, it needs more than just laughs and viral trends.
Okay, so what does that mean in practice?
Well,
does Joe need to offer some kind of real-world application or functionality beyond just being a tradable token?
That's a great question.
Does it need to prove that it's more than just a funny name and a catchy logo?
Precisely. Think of it this way. What problem does Goatius Maximus solve? What value does it bring to users beyond potential price appreciation? These are questions the project needs to address convincingly to attract and retain a broader user base.
Got it.
Maybe it becomes the preferred currency for a specific online community.
Oh, okay.
Or integrates with a platform that aligns with its brand.
Yeah.
Without that kind of utility, it risks becoming just another forgotten meme.
Right, it just fades away.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
It's like any investment.
It is.
You need to look beyond the initial excitement.
You got it.
And understand the underlying value proposition.
Absolutely.
Okay, so community and utility are key.
They are.
For meme coins like GOT.
Yeah.
But what about a coin like Radium then?
Okay.
Which operates in the DeFi space.
Right.
We talked about DeFi briefly. But I think it's worth revisiting.
Okay.
Can you remind us what DeFi is all about?
Sure.
And what makes it so intriguing?
Absolutely. DeFi, or decentralized finance, aims to revolutionize the financial system by leveraging blockchain technology. It seeks to create a world where financial services operate without traditional intermediaries like banks, brokers, or governments. Instead, transactions are facilitated through smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded onto the blockchain.
So it's about giving people more control over their financial assets and transactions. Cutting out the middleman.
That's right.
And increasing transparency.
Exactly.
Okay.
And Radium is one of the platforms trying to make this vision a reality. It operates on the Solana blockchain, known for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees, which are crucial for DeFi applications. Radium facilitates decentralized exchanges, where users can trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other without needing a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance.
Okay, so like a peer-to-peer kind of?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It also offers liquidity pools where users can earn interest on their crypto holdings by providing liquidity to the platform.
So Radium is all about putting the power back in the hands of the people, right?
It is.
Offering a decentralized alternative to traditional financial services.
That's right.
But it's not the only player in the DeFi space, right?
It's not. You're right.
What does it need to do to stand out and attract users in such a competitive landscape.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
The DeFi space is incredibly dynamic and competitive.
Totally.
With new projects and protocols emerging constantly for Radium to thrive.
Yeah.
It needs to excel in several key areas.
Okay.
First, it needs to offer a seamless and user-friendly experience. Right. Remember, DeFi is still relatively complex.
It is.
And many users are new to this world.
Right.
Radium needs to make it easy for people to understand and use its platform.
It's like any new technology. It needs to be accessible.
It does.
And intuitive.
Yeah.
Or people will just stick with what they know.
Exactly. Second, Radium needs to focus on security.
Right.
DeFi platforms are often targets for hackers.
Right.
So robust security measures are paramount.
Yeah.
They need to demonstrate that user funds are safe and that the platform is resilient to attacks.
Okay.
And finally, Radium needs to continue to innovate.
Okay.
And offer unique features.
Right.
That set it apart from the competition.
Right. They can't just rest on their laurels.
Exactly.
They've got to keep pushing forward.
That's right.
Okay.
This could involve developing new DeFi products, integrating with other platforms, or finding creative ways to enhance the user experience.
It's a high-stakes race, with everyone vying for a piece of the DeFi pie.
It is.
Now let's shift gears to ApeCoin.
Okay.
Which seems to be riding the wave.
It is.
Of both NFTs and the metaverse.
Yeah.
We touched on this earlier. But I'm curious to explore it further.
Sure.
How does ApeCoin's connection to the Bored Ape Yacht Club impact its potential?
Well,
can you tell us more about the Bored Ape phenomenon?
The Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Yeah.
It's a fascinating case study.
Yeah.
In how NFTs have captured the imagination of the digital world.
Yeah, they have.
It's one of the most sought-after NFT collections.
It is.
Known for its exclusive membership, vibrant community.
Totally.
And, of course, those iconic ape avatars.
Yeah, those things are everywhere.
There.
I've seen celebrities, athletes, even musicians sporting them.
That's right.
Online and in real life.
It's become a status symbol.
So how does ApeCoin fit into all of this?
Well,
is it like buying a share of the Bored Ape Yacht Club?
Not quite.
Okay.
Think of ApeCoin as the key that unlocks the doors to the Bored Ape ecosystem.
Right.
It's the native cryptocurrency.
Right.
For the Bored Ape Yacht Club, giving holders a say in the governance of the project and access to exclusive benefits.
All right.
It's like a membership card to a club.
Okay.
But membership is tied to a cryptocurrency.
So it's not just about owning a piece of digital art.
Right.
It's about being part of a community.
Exactly.
Having a voice and participating in something bigger than yourself.
You got it.
That's a pretty powerful concept.
It is.
Especially in the digital age where people are craving connection and belonging.
Absolutely.
And ApeCoin takes this concept a step further.
Right. It does.
It's not just about the Bored Ape Yacht Club itself.
Okay.
It's about creating a whole ecosystem around the Bored Ape brand.
You got it.
They're using ApeCoin to fund various initiatives.
That's right.
Including gaming projects, metaverse experiences, and even real-world events and meetups.
Amazing.
So they're building a world around those Bored Apes, expanding beyond just digital collectibles.
Yeah.
And creating a whole universe for their community to explore.
Precisely.
And this approach is crucial for ApeCoin's long-term success, right?
I think so.
While the popularity of the Bored Ape Yacht Club is undeniable right now.
Yeah, it's huge.
The NFT market can be volatile.
It can.
By diversifying and creating a more robust ecosystem. They're hedging their bets and ensuring that ApeCoin has value beyond just the hype of the NFT market.
They're thinking ahead.
It's like they're building multiple pillars of support.
Yes.
To ensure long-term stability.
That's a great way to look at it.
They're not putting all their eggs in one basket.
Right.
Okay, so ApeCoin is all about community, utility, and building a multifaceted ecosystem.
Yeah.
What about Dogecoin? I mean, we can't wrap up a discussion about altcoins without mentioning the OG meme coin.
The original.
Despite its origins as a joke, DOGE has become a cultural phenomena.
It has.
Even being championed by tech moguls like Elon Musk.
That's right.
What do you make of Dogecoin's enduring popularity?
It's interesting.
Why has it captured the hearts and minds of so many people?
Dogecoin's journey is a fascinating case study. In the unpredictable nature of the crypto market and the power of community, what started as a lighthearted joke has evolved into a widely recognized and accepted cryptocurrency.
It really is.
It's a testament to the power of memes, online communities, And a healthy dose of irony.
It's almost unbelievable.
It is.
That something that started as a joke is now being used for real-world transactions.
It's wild.
But then again, the crypto world has never been shy about challenging traditional norms and expectations.
That's for sure.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Dogecoin's popularity is partly due to its accessibility.
It is.
It's often one of the first cryptocurrencies people encounter.
Because it's relatively inexpensive and widely available on most exchanges.
Okay.
This ease of access has made it a gateway for many people entering the crypto world.
It's like the training wheels of cryptocurrency.
I like that.
A fun and approachable way to dip your toes into the water.
Exactly.
And once people are in, they discover a vibrant and supportive community.
They do.
That embraces the lighthearted and humorous nature of Dogecoin.
That's right.
It's become a symbol of internet culture.
Yeah.
A way for people to connect, share memes, and have fun with cryptocurrency.
It's almost like a social movement disguised as a cryptocurrency.
And let's not forget the influence of Elon Musk.
Oh, yeah.
Whose tweets about Dogecoin have sent its price soaring on multiple occasions.
Just sure.
Love him or hate him.
Right.
He's definitely brought a lot of attention to the crypto world.
He has.
And Dogecoin in particular.
That's true.
There's no denying Musk's impact.
He's a force.
His tweets have a way of captivating the online world.
They do.
And influencing markets.
For better or worse.
For better or worse.
Yeah.
And while some might criticize his involvement as reckless or manipulative,
sure,
others see it as a sign of mainstream adoption and validation for Dogecoin.
That's true.
It's definitely stirred up a lot of controversy and debate.
Yes.
Which is never a bad thing.
Right.
In a space that's constantly evolving and challenging the status quo.
Exactly. Dogecoin has become more than just a cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
It's a cultural phenomenon.
It is.
A symbol of internet humor and a testament to the power of community.
Yeah.
Its future remains uncertain.
Yeah, who knows?
But its impact on the crypto landscape is undeniable.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a story that's still being written.
It is.
And it'll be fascinating to see where it goes from here.
For sure.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground in this segment.
Yeah, we have.
Delving deeper into the stories behind Goatius Maximus, Radium, ApeCoin, and Dogecoin.
A lot to cover.
What are some key takeaways you'd like our listeners to remember as they continue their own crypto explorations?
Well, first and foremost, remember that the crypto world is all about innovation, disruption, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Don't be afraid to explore beyond the familiar territory of Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Right.
And delve into the diverse and exciting world of altcoins.
It's like embarking on a treasure hunt.
It is.
Sifting through the sands of the crypto world to find those hidden gems.
Precisely.
But as with any treasure hunt,
it's
essential to equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge.
Absolutely.
Do your research.
Yeah.
Understand the risks involved. And never invest more than you can afford to lose.
That's key.
The crypto market is highly volatile.
It is.
And unpredictable.
It's true.
So it's crucial to approach it with a balanced and informed perspective.
You got it.
Those are words to live by in the crypto world.
They are.
And remember, our deep dive today is just the beginning of your journey.
It is.
There's a whole universe of altcoins out there waiting to be explored.
That's right.
So stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged.
Absolutely.
Welcome back, listeners. It's time to wrap up our altcoin adventure. We've explored the meme-powered rise of Goatius Maximus.
Right.
The DeFi ambitions of Radium.
Yeah.
The community-driven world of ApeCoin. Not to mention the enduring legacy of Dogecoin.
A lot of ground covered.
But there are still a few intriguing contenders on our list.
Indeed. It's a testament to the breadth of innovation happening.
Yeah.
That even a top 10 list can't capture the full scope.
So true. Let's talk about Dog with Hat.
Okay.
Or WaveUIF.
Yeah.
The other playful pup on our list of top altcoins.
Right.
What's the story behind this one?
Well,
is it another meme coin riding the coattails of internet humor?
Dog with Hat is another prime example of how meme culture can ignite interest and adoption in the crypto world.
Okay.
It's garnered a significant following.
Yeah, it has.
Largely thanks to its lighthearted nature.
Right.
Amusing imagery. And of course, that active online community we keep talking about.
From what I've seen, the Dog with Hat community is incredibly engaged and passionate about the project.
They are.
They're having a lot of fun with it, which is always a good sign.
It is.
But can it translate that initial buzz into something more substantial?
That's the key question with any meme coin.
Right.
Can it move beyond the hype?
Yeah.
And establish real-world utility?
Right.
One potential avenue for Dog with Hat is exploring integrations with online platforms and services.
I see.
Particularly those that cater to its target audience.
That's an interesting thought. Imagine if Dog with Hat became the go-to cryptocurrency for online gaming communities or content creators. It could be used for tipping, microtransactions, or even virtual goods within those platforms.
Precisely. Finding those strategic partnerships and use cases that align with its brand and community could unlock Dog with Hat's long-term potential.
Okay.
It's about finding that sweet spot where meme culture meets real-world functionality.
Makes sense. It's about finding a niche.
Yeah.
And offering a compelling value proposition beyond just the meme itself. Speaking of utility, let's shift gears to a coin that's making waves in the DeFi space.
Right.
Aerodrome Finance. Or Aero.
Aero, yeah.
What's the buzz about this one?
Aerodrome Finance represents a growing trend within DeFi.
Okay.
Creating platforms that offer a comprehensive suite of financial services,
okay,
all powered by blockchain technology.
I see.
Think of it as a decentralized hub for lending, borrowing, and trading crypto assets.
So it's like a one-stop shop for all your DeFi needs?
It is.
But without the involvement of traditional financial institutions?
That's right.
Cutting out the middleman again.
Exactly.
That seems to be a recurring theme in the crypto world.
It is taking out the middleman.
You're catching on. Aerodrome Finance aims to empower users by giving them more control over their financial assets and transactions. It prioritizes security and transparency.
It does.
Leveraging the immutable nature of blockchain technology to create a trustless and auditable system. Those are attractive features.
They are.
For anyone looking for alternatives to the traditional financial system.
Absolutely.
But as we've seen with other DeFi projects, security can be a major concern.
It can be.
How does Aerodrome Finance address those potential vulnerabilities?
That's a crucial question.
Yeah.
And Aerodrome Finance seems to be taking it seriously.
Okay.
They've implemented robust security measures, including rigorous code audits conducted by independent security experts to ensure there are no vulnerabilities in their smart contracts.
That makes sense.
They also employ decentralized governance mechanisms, allowing the community to participate in decision-making and oversight.
Right. So there's some checks and balances there.
Exactly.
Further enhancing security and transparency.
That's right.
It sounds like they're taking a proactive approach to security, which is reassuring.
Definitely.
But as with any investment in the crypto world,
it's
important for users to do their own research and understand the risks involved before jumping in headfirst.
Absolutely. Due diligence is essential in this space.
Yeah.
Never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Right.
And always thoroughly research any project before committing your funds.
Wise words indeed. We've explored a whole menagerie of altcoins today.
We have.
From meme-powered pups like Dog with Hat to DeFi pioneers like Aerodrome Finance.
Quite the variety.
We've seen how they're pushing the boundaries of technology, finance, and even culture.
It's amazing.
What are some key takeaways you'd like our listeners to remember as they continue their own crypto explorations?
I think the most important takeaway is that the crypto world is incredibly diverse and dynamic.
It is.
There's something for everyone, whether you're drawn to the humor of meme coins, the utility of DeFi platforms, or the community-driven spirit of NFT projects.
It's really amazing.
Don't be afraid to explore and discover what resonates with you.
It's like stepping into a vast and uncharted territory.
It is.
There's a sense of adventure, a spirit of innovation, and a constant stream of surprises.
It's true.
It's both exhilarating and a little daunting.
For sure.
But that's what makes it so captivating.
You said it. And remember, the crypto landscape is constantly evolving.
Yeah, it is. Like every day.
New projects emerge every day. Existing projects adapt and innovate.
Yeah.
And the whole space is in a constant state of flux.
It really is.
That's what makes it so exciting. But it also means that continuous learning is essential.
Exactly. Our deep dive today is just a starting point.
It is, that's right.
The key is to stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring.
Absolutely.
Who knows what groundbreaking innovations await us just around the corner?
That's the beauty of the crypto world.
Yeah.
It's full of possibilities. And the future is being written in code, one block at a time.
Well said. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the world of altcoins.
It's been a pleasure.
We hope you've gained some valuable insights and are inspired to continue your own crypto explorations.
We hope so.
Be sure to check back next week for another deep dive into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.
Until then.
Thanks for listening.